Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a little snack kit box, and this is great. I mean, you know, these things are awesome. They're good for like if you're going to work, or if the kids are going to a little event or something like that. They can take this, and it's got a little carrying handle, and inside, I'll aim you guys down a little bit here. So let me move this out of the way. So inside, you can see it opens up, and you got different little sections. So you can put fruits and vegetables and carrots and things like that in there. Like what I have in here. I mean, I could stick some little baby carrots in there. I'm only going to put a couple of them in there so you can see. So you could have nice, healthy snacks. You could put that in there. You could put an orange in there and a couple of them. It's even got, you know, string cheese might be a little too big, but you can put it on the side. Or you could just kind of fold it up in there. So put a string cheese in there. You could put applesauce. So it's nice. You have your ability to put all the different little pieces and parts in there, and then you close it all up, and looks like it's got a little sealing gasket around there, and then now you have a little healthy little box that the kids can take around or whatever. So how cool is that? Super nice little box, and everything stays in its section. So it's really nice. So I'm gonna say it's a nice little box. Thumbs up for sure.